Hi everybody, this is Crystal, and today I'm going to do a yarn review on one of Lionbrands' new yarns, StitchBird. Now I saw this on their website and I'm like, no way am I gonna like this yarn. Look at it. I thought that is going to be hard to crochet with. It kind of reminds me of homespun, you know, because it's got this netting around it. But let's go ahead and check it out. Now I can tell you that it's soft. Okay, it's very soft, and it says 2 balls will make a scarf. There's 131 yarns per ball, 83% acrylic, 17% wool. So there's a little bit of wool content in there. Not much, but a little bit. It's classified as a bulky 5. And it is machine wash on gentle, and you have to lay it flat to dry because of because of that wool in it. It's available right now, I've seen, in 6 different colors. This color is called Purple Martin. There's only 6 colors. I think there was just a couple of them I wasn't really a big fan of. The other ones were all right. They did have a brown one, but I actually thought I'd kind of shake things up and ordered something out of the ordinary that I wouldn't normally order, and I think this color is actually really pretty. So let's go ahead and let's see, recommended hook size. They say, okay, 6.5 millimeter. Now I actually was crocheting with it a bit here. Now it's a self-striping yarn, but as you can see, the stripes are very small, and it does have splotches of different colors within the stripes. Now, you know, like I said, I saw this and I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna like that yarn. That is not gonna crochet good. That black netting is gonna get stuck, but it does not. It crochets really good. It's nothing like homespun. I have not had a problem with it. I crocheted this up, some of it single, some of it double. It's nice and soft. It'd be great to wear around your neck. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem putting it around my neck. It's not itchy because it doesn't have a lot of wool in it. Look at that. I was 100% sure I was going to hate this yarn from the start. Even on the website, I'm like, I don't like that yarn. I can already tell I'm not going to like that yarn. But you know what? I like it. It crochets so good. And look at it. That netting on it is so super cool. It being black, it's a nice contrast to the colors, all the colors that they have. The netting is black on it, and it's really neat. It just makes a neat looking yarn. So look at that. I haven't got caught on that netting at all. It hasn't. Of course, it's probably not going to split on you because it's got that netting on it. But I'm very pleasantly surprised. It glides right over the hook. No problem. Now, I can't say that you're not ever going to get caught up on that netting, but so far I haven't. It center pulls nicely. I did not center pull though because the center of mine's black, and when I wanted to use a different color so you could see that netting in it. But I did try center pulling from it and it came right out. Did not up or anything. Now I wonder if it frogs well. That I don't know, but I can tell you that it crochets very nicely, and it does have an extremely unique look to it. I really like the look. I like the feel, and I like this color. Actually, I told you there was only 6 colors. There was a couple maybe I probably wouldn't choose, but the other ones were really pretty. They had a brown one. You know, I guess none of them were ugly. There was just a couple that I probably wouldn't really choose, but look at that. That's so cool, the way that black netting looks on there. I think it is. And yeah, I would definitely wear that right around my neck. It's very soft. Well, here's the test. What happens if you make a mistake? Nothing. Pull it out and start again. Look at that. Awesome. That's what I like to see, because I am a mistake maker. Proud to admit it. Look at that. All the way to the end. Awesome. So the way it looks is super cool. The way it comes undone, the way it frogs, is very nice. The way it crochets is awesome. Let's talk about price, because that's kind of the big thing, I think, when we talk about price. Now, it is a super bulky, or not a super bulky, just a bulky number 5. Now, when you look at it, I would think that is a perfect bulky 5. Not too thin and not too thick. So, definitely a bulky 5. So, Lionbrands and Joann's both have it. I believe it's available in some Joann's stores. So not in mine, but I think it's in some. And online. And online at lionbrand.com. It runs regular priced $6.99. 131 yards for $6.99. Is it worth it? The cool factor tells me yes, but unfortunately I don't always buy on cool factor alone, so I would not pay $6.99 for it. But I do like it. I think it's super cool. I think it's super soft. And I would buy it on sale, and I did buy it. These were $5 something. I think $5. It's not a lot of yardage, but I think it's worth $5. I honestly do. It's just so neat looking. It does lack yardage. You know, if it could have maybe a couple hundred, that would be better. It doesn't, so we deal with that. I don't know. If I'm still thinking about that $6.99, and like I always said, you know, if it doesn't have a lot of yardage and it has an expensive price, it's got to be something super extraordinary for me to want to buy it. It does have a little wool in it, not enough to really jack the price up too much. This yarn's really cool. I mean, I really like it. I will buy it again, but I will only buy it when it's on sale. It is it's neat. It's different. I like it a lot. But I don't like it for $7. That's just my opinion. But I will definitely buy it again. It's actually, at the time making of this video, it's on sale at Lionbrand and at Joann's. It's on sale at lionbrand.com cheaper. And I'm going to go buy some more of it as soon as I'm done with this video, because it's so cool. So you guys know, Lionbrands StitchBird. It fooled me. I thought I was going to hate this yarn. I'm like, that yarn is something I'm going to hate. But I don't hate it. I actually love it. I'm going to make a cowl out of this. I got 2 cakes of it. I'm going to make a cowl out of it. You see a video for it in a couple days. And they have a brown one I'm going to get as soon as I get off this video. I'm going to go order it, because I think it's on sale right now for $5 something. And I'm more than happy to pay $5 something for it, because of the cool factor. And it's really soft. I mean, it's nice. Now, if you're allergic to wool or something, you know, it's going to be something that you want to stay away from. But I like it. It really surprised me. Lion, they did a good job with this one. The price could be a little cheaper, but you know what? As long as I can get it on sale, I'm going to buy it. So remember, I am not affiliated. Lionbrand is not affiliated with this review at all. They did not give me this yarn. I bought this on my own to do this review. They don't even know that I'm doing it. So, and always, these are always just my opinions. And I always encourage everybody, if you can and you have the means, to buy a skein and give it a try for yourself. And if you do get this, I actually think you're going to be pleasantly surprised, just like I was, because I thought this was going to be a mess to crochet with, but it's not. It's so super cool, and I really, really like it. Like I said, I don't like the $7 price tag's a little steep, but $5, I think, even though it doesn't have a lot of yardage, the cool factor makes it worth $5, and I'm going to get more. So yeah, I really like it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this yet. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know, you know, go on Lionbrands and look at the colors. Tell me if you like their colors. Tell me which colors you like. Tell me if you would pay $7.90 or $6.99 for it for full price. I'm still debating if I would or wouldn't. I actually, no, I won't. I will only buy it on sale. I think it's worth $5. I do. I honestly do. Even though there's not tons of yardage, it's really neat, and it's super soft, and I think it's worth that. But yeah, just let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'm always curious to know. So that's my review. StitchBird. It's a good one. Good job, Lionbrands. Thanks everybody for watching.